Ever wondered how the rich stay rich and what money principles they follow? If you're watching this video, you're likely looking for effective strategies to manage your finances and build lasting wealth. Welcome. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of financial wisdom with 11 principles the rich follow to stay rich. These tips will help you navigate your financial journey with confidence and success. Let's dive in. Number 1, pay yourself first. The first principle the rich follow is to pay themselves first. This means setting aside a portion of their income for savings and investments before spending on anything else. For example, if you earn $5,000 a month, commit to saving at least 20% before allocating the rest to expenses. This habit ensures that you prioritize building your wealth. Paying yourself first helps in accumulating a financial cushion and creating a foundation for future investments. It's a disciplined approach that ensures you are consistently growing your wealth. Automating your savings can make this process easier, ensuring you never miss a contribution. Number 2, live below your means. Living below your means is crucial for wealth retention. This involves spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. For instance, instead of buying a brand new car, consider purchasing a reliable used one. This way, you can save money and invest the difference. Living below your means helps you avoid debt and ensures that you have funds available for investing in opportunities that can grow your wealth. It's about making mindful spending choices and prioritizing long-term financial health over short-term gratification. Number 3, invest wisely. Rich individuals know the importance of investing wisely. They diversify their investments across different asset classes like stocks, real estate, and bonds to minimize risk. For example, instead of putting all your money in one stock, spread your investments across various industries. Investing wisely involves thorough research and a long-term perspective. It's not about getting rich quickly, but about growing your wealth steadily over time. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to create a balanced and diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Number 4, continuous learning. The rich never stop learning about money and investments. They read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from experts. For example, reading financial classics like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki can provide valuable insights into wealth building. Continuous learning helps you stay informed about new investment opportunities and financial strategies. It empowers you to make educated decisions that can significantly impact your wealth. Allocate time each week for financial education to keep improving your financial literacy. Number 5, network with like-minded individuals. Building a network of successful and like-minded individuals is a key principle for staying rich. Rich people often associate with others who are financially savvy and can provide valuable insights and opportunities. For instance, attending industry conferences or joining investment clubs can expand your network. Networking allows you to exchange ideas, learn from others' experiences, and discover new opportunities. It creates a supportive environment where you can grow and thrive financially. Make it a habit to connect with people who inspire and challenge you to improve your financial situation. Number 6, avoid bad debt. The wealthy are careful about the type of debt they incur. They avoid bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt, and focus on leveraging good debt, like mortgages or business loans, which can generate income. For example, using a mortgage to buy rental property can create a positive cash flow. Avoiding bad debt protects your wealth and ensures that your money is working for you rather than against you. It's essential to differentiate between debt that can help you grow your wealth and debt that can drain your resources. Practice responsible borrowing and prioritize paying off high-interest debt. Number 7, create multiple income streams. Having multiple income streams is a common strategy among the rich. This could include a mix of earned income, passive income, and investment income. For instance, alongside your job, you could earn rental income from properties or dividends from stocks. Creating multiple income streams reduces financial risk and increases financial stability. It ensures that you're not reliant on a single source of income and can weather economic downturns more effectively. Explore different avenues to diversify your income sources, such as starting a side business or investing in income-generating assets. Number 8. Focus on long-term goals. Rich individuals prioritize long-term financial goals over short-term desires. They plan for the future and make decisions that align with their long-term vision. For example, they might invest in retirement accounts and long-term growth stocks. Focusing on long-term goals helps you stay disciplined and resist the temptation of short-term spending. It ensures that your financial decisions contribute to your overall wealth-building strategy. Set clear financial goals and create a roadmap to achieve them, regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan as needed. Number 9. Maintain an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that the wealthy always maintain. It covers unexpected expenses and prevents you from dipping into your investments. For instance, having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a savings account can provide peace of mind. Maintaining an emergency fund ensures financial stability and protects you from unforeseen financial shocks. It's a crucial component of financial planning that allows you to handle emergencies without derailing your long-term financial goals. Regularly contribute to your emergency fund and review it annually to ensure it meets your needs. Number 10. Plan for taxes. The rich are strategic about tax planning to maximize their wealth. They use legal strategies to minimize tax liabilities, such as investing in tax-advantaged accounts or taking advantage of deductions. For example, contributing to a 401k or IRA can provide tax benefits while saving for retirement. Planning for taxes ensures that you retain more of your hard-earned money and can reinvest it to grow your wealth. It's essential to stay informed about tax laws and seek professional advice to optimize your tax strategy. Regularly review your tax plan to adapt to changes in your financial situation and tax regulations. Number 11. Give back. Philanthropy is a common principle among the wealthy. They understand the importance of giving back to society and often engage in charitable activities. For instance, donating a portion of their income to causes they care about. Giving back not only benefits society, but also provides personal fulfillment and can have tax benefits. It reinforces a positive relationship with money and ensures that your wealth has a meaningful impact. Identify causes that resonate with you and incorporate charitable giving into your financial plan. Conclusion. Understanding and applying these money principles can help you build and maintain wealth like the rich. By prioritizing savings, investing wisely, and focusing on long-term goals, you can create a solid financial foundation. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share your experiences in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching!